Y'all, what is going on? David Productions, 345 here. We are at the car wash for Cars and Coffee. This is gonna be so much fun. Yeah, we're washing the car. It is 7:30. I got 30 minutes before I gotta be there. I like being there early so I can get a nice parking spot and so we can get in. So without further ado, we'll see you guys after I finish washing the car. She's filthy as always, daily driver. So yeah guys, this is another nice morning, so let's get it. We'll see you guys after the car is washed. All right, y'all, we finished the wash. It is 7:40. That's Ian's Mustang. Bro, you might as well just wash it here. Yeah. All right, y'all, so we finished the wash. All right, y'all, we made it, and I'm just chilling here watching everybody pass. Yeah. Look at how filled up it's already getting, and it's like 8:12. That thing right there. That thing looks crazy. A little El Camino. Alright, we are still filming people pulling on. Hopefully you guys can see. There's something that's cammed right there. I'm not gonna lie, I like this angle, y'all. I get everybody passing by. I'm just chilling up there. Alright, y'all, we are here with
Unknown 57.
Unknown 57?
The greatest.
We checked out his whip almost a year ago.
Almost a year ago. It was black and white then. We all black now. Before we had the red accents, now we got purple and pink. So you ain't gonna have a plate cover. Police snatched my shit once, I got one next day.
I'll insert that video here. Okay.
Big forwards on the bench, on the wheels too. Oh, we got 5 spokes too.
5 spoke.
This bitch tinted up. Before it wasn't really tinted up.
Okay, okay. What we got going on in here?
Got the big leg maker on
leg
the bench.
maker with a cool cover on it.
I'm saying we got 6.4 manifold,
6.4 manifold,
block,
5.7
underground tune, J&J tune.
This should be burbling, right?
I'm saying we pushing like 7,000 to the wheel.
Type shit. Yeah, this shit's like a one-on-one.
I got one of them.
Not that one.
My man gave it to me as a birthday gift.
Oh yeah?
Nah, they be having this.
Really?
I never see them around here, but they always sold out.
I was gonna say, like, you're the first person who I seen who had that
I never
345
seen
RT
that
back.
shit. He just gotta buy the wiring kit.
Yeah? Yeah, guys, this is the whip right here, though.
I'm saying fender flare missing because it's a Johnny. Other than that, man, that's about it.
That's about it?
Biggest Rango in the town.
You about to be going wide body with this thing, or?
Shit, I want to. I'm just poor.
I mean, it looks way different than before, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
When I first met you, this front bumper was black, everything else was white, and that was it. Now we got some like different shit, bro. This is cool though.
No, put a tear behind.
I'll insert a clip of how his car used to be.
This was a regular ass Durango until he modded it.
Yeah, this shit looks different now,
When he
bro.
first popped out, he just popped up on my Instagram. I'm on follow, bro. We started linking up.
Oh yeah? Tell you
That's
shit.
when he had his white Chrysler.
Oh, I remember those days.
I done been to 13
Cause he was
cars.
hitting me up and shit. Cause he like, yo. So I sold him some parts.
I needed an odometer. The odometer was broken in the car. He wouldn't even read.
That's when he pulled
The
up
dude,
with
the
Juju before he crashed
girlfriend
his
punched
shit.
the screen out. She broke the odometer. She cracked his window. She must have some fire ass whoop.
Yo.
They do all that shit to a car.
That was the horniest man I've ever met in my life.
We got Strike and Ty over here.
Yeah. Hold up.
They got that controller booth.
Don't mind my pink, bro. This the Strike right here, bro. Yo, that don't look right.
Oh shit, I see what you mean by your man's are not doing, bro.
Strike, I don't care if I scrape it.
Yo.
Feel this shit. This is his lovely sanding.
Bro, it's gonna
That's
get
not even the worst.
professional. It's gonna
Yo.
That's not even the worst
get. Bro,
part.
look at my hood.
Yo.
I gotta get it professionally redone now.
Wait, gang, why you wait? What did he sand this with?
180 finished with a 180.
Bro, I didn't know what I was doing. I just needed to sand my
And you
car
want it
down.
gloss. You're supposed to finish with like a 3,000.
Yo.
You can go over with flat.
Hey, go Phoenix.
Yo. Wait, right here? Yo. What the? That's bad, dude.
Go back over with 180 grit though.
That's no, brother. You're gonna need to. You're gonna need
He
to.
gave me a shit sham job and a shit primer job. And then
Wait,
expected
is
me to
this
do good.
is this what you did?
I did the black.
This feels better than over there.
No, I did a whole car black.
Oh wait,
But
so
he gave it to me with a shit primer and a shit sand job and expected it to be.
I mean, some of this is.
I did this one day. I was trying to sand it down.
Some of this isn't bad though.
Yeah, I think the front bumper.
That's the fenders are kind of. Oh, right here's pretty bad.
But had to get this shit dirty so it didn't look as bad.
I mean, start going mudding, bro. Fuck it. Just go in the mud.
But look, I got RT seats in my shit. It came with it.
Wait, word?
Yeah, my shit not no regular pursuit.
Wait, pop that door open though, bro.
That door had no broke.
Oh shit. Wait, how you be getting into this shit?
Johnny,
Bro?
bro, you gotta go to the other side.
He said it's a Johnny,
This
bro.
shit dirty as hell, bro.
I mean, to be fair, what the side markers? Yeah, shit. Oh wait, they got some animations too.
They're in the front too. He got me.
Shit kind of tight.
He got me.
Oh yeah, bro. What's your name on IG?
Somebody
Cause
gave me what I paid for it.
what's your name on IG? Cause you be.
345 Swerve.
I thought it was Striker.
Nah, I might change my shit to Striker Time.
I feel like that'd be a funny name, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, but I think motherfuckers gonna jack that.
Yeah. Alright, we are back. We start vlogging again. Chryslers, BMWs, CA Vet. That Mustang's tough. I'll be there in a second. Cool Jeep. She kind of look cool. The wheels too. This thing's tough. Got this thing right here. Recaro C2. This shit tough. Honda Civic. Another Honda Civic. Those wheels are kind of cool. BMW. This Evo's tough, dude. What we got over here? We got nice Corvette. BRZ. 86 carbon hood. Sign that for us. Mustang. Old Corvette. Anything different about that one? No, can't tell. C6, cool. Old Ferrari. And this Viper is beautiful, dude. And this thing, what is? It's supercharged. This looks crazy. I always see this thing driving around, but I never actually see it up close. That is cool as hell. Some old school stuff. SS. Another old school. These buses are pretty cool. Herbie. That's cool. Another Volkswagen bus. BMW. I'm gonna start walking, I think, this way. C6, C7. I think actually no, I think this is a C5. So that cool Jeep, you guys know about that one. Did a video on that. It's a cool little Corvette C5. Second gen Subaru. Let's go this way though. This C7 color is beautiful. It's like orange color. S2000 we've seen before. And then Elantra, other Elantra, Rango, Volkswagen. It's a cool Camaro. What else we got, bro? See, let me know what you guys think. I feel like this is the best gen Mustang compared to this. Cool. Mopars. And this thing is crazy.
Manual brake, baby.
Damn, that shit's crazy. Some trailer cars. This is probably fast. And then I just wanted to check out this one again. The wheels are kind of cool. The wheels are crazy, actually. Interior is custom. Alright, we are back.
I'm like, how much you want? Yeah. I just don't just totally, like, I wasn't.
The front bumper too on it. This look crazy. Next to this BMW. Mero? ZL1? Cowl hood. It's a pretty big hood too. I don't know how people see over the cowl hoods. Dream car. This thing right here. Color. The interior. This thing's cool. This thing's pretty cool too. That's cool. You don't see many of those. Start walking down here. I think this guy looks familiar. I know who this is. Elantras. Some Ghost. All the guys are here, bro. I wonder what they want. I think these are rare. This might be the GT2 GT line Stinger. I remember seeing Legit Street Cars video where he rebuilt one. Imagine that's his. That'd be cool. This Cadillac, Camaro, SS, Buick.
Like I said,
This car is awesome too. I think, what is that, the F80 or something? F10. Oh, look, little mini Hot Wheels or diecast car. Excuse me. 300Zs. A couple of them here. So pretty cool. This one stands a little bit. Acura RSX. Love these things. We've definitely seen this one before. Oh look, Andrew is here. This car's nice. I remember seeing this a couple years ago. This is crazy. My dad would love this. ZL1. This color combo is nasty, dude. White and black. Look at this thing, dude. What up, dude? I seen you guys. I seen your car over there.
Oh yeah.
What's up, bro? Y'all
We're
just
just
chilling?
shit talking the state troopers with their new Mustangs.
Wait, was that new Mustang as a state trooper car?
Yeah.
Oh, you about to get caught,
we
bro.
walked up, we're like, look at this slow piece of shit.
You about to get caught, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive my car.
I'll be there. I'm gonna get some cool videos, bro. This thing is cool.
Yo, Officer. Impersonation.
Oh my gosh. Yo, where's Adrian at, bro? Wait a minute. Is that Shadow SE?
Yeah, what's up, man?
It's good to see you, bro. I'm a huge fan of your car.
Yeah, thank you.
They can finally see the wheels now.
I got rid of the white SM fog lights.
Wow.
With the black back. They stuck out too much. I'm like,
Now they can actually see the wheels in the daylight.
Oh yeah.
They look good though. They might be on this car soon, I heard.
This one?
Yeah.
No, he wants black.
Wait, where did he go?
The stock ones are black, but he bought new ones.
Bro, if he goes bronze, it'll be, I'm telling you, it'll be crazy.
It would be nice. The
Back
one
to back.
Audi over there has them too. The bronze.
Yeah, I seen that over there.
They look. I feel like they would go good on any car.
Yes, sir. You said this is a Lexus ISF Sport 500?
IS 500.
The tips. This Evo is really cool. The exhaust comes out of the front bumper. Dude, this shit cool, bro. This drift car is cool though. Yeah. I'm assuming this is a drift car, right?
We got on a Segway.
Yo, he just has so much aura, bro. My keys are about to disappear. Wait, where did my keys go? Bro, my keys are missing.
Yeah, striker time. Give me them keys, bro. Give me them keys.
Say what's up to the vlog, bro.
What's up, vlog?
Where's your vlog?
Oh, not vlog.
Nah, where's your car? Where's your
I'm just taking a
vlog?
bunch of like videos and stuff.
Okay. This is a cop car. They're about to catch every single person, bro. That's crazy. That's sick.
No,
No? I've been asked that. No, we're keeping it shut. Yeah. Why?
This car is so sick, bro. Yo, this looks crazy. The bronze wheels too. The nice wing. I don't even see, yo. Oh look, it's the BMW motor. You know what's funny? The engine cover looks like a BMW engine cover too. That cam sounds nasty, dude.
Oh, I would. I'm gonna ride it in the snow.
Oh look, it's a minty green Mercedes. This McLaren is tough. I'm guessing that's a 675 or 570. What does it say? Nothing. Damn. Yo, look at this Charger. This thing is crazy. Yeah, who has the second gen? This one's tough. This looks like the same. Is this the same car? No.
No, it's a GT. The other one said S.
This shit is crazy right here.
That's the exact
Wait,
car.
Tony, this is the
My
generation.
exact dream car.
Right here?
Yes.
Yo, let's do a little review of your car real quick.
Yeah,
Is
it's
it-
automatic too.
Oh, hell no, gang.
Bro.
It's probably a 500, right?
It is a GT500.
Yeah, that's why, bro. 350's on top.
Literally it.
Whose car is this?
This one?
Yeah. Yo, this shit's tough, bro. Do you have an IGs and on the side of the
You don't got
intern?
With this car, you don't put it in my
Go to the trunk? Whoa. Yeah, that's cool, bro. This is sick. Yo, that color. That's the exact color that I want. This color is so tough.
Look at the headlights.
Yo, this is the exact color that I need. This color is so beautiful.
I did.
And look at this. This thing is cool too, but yeah, just chilling. This Gallardo is cool. I think it's a Gallardo. Yo, we gotta tag them though. Post both of them. Crazy, bro. I like how it's like a
This is yellow.
650. I feel like I'm too tall for this. I feel like
You are.
you gotta be like short.
Probably are.
You gotta be like short for these cars. Color's nice. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This Genesis is pretty cool.
Tired.
I'm not a fan of Genesis, Genocide, whatever you want to call them, but
Get her when next year.
Before it was 2. So
that color's cool. That's cool.
That's what
Beef and broccoli right here. That's what I call that one. This is an LS swap. That's cool. Hot wheels on the side. This thing looks nasty, man. Wait, yo, is that someone looks like Anthony?
Yes, it is.
Bro, this Honda's sick.
It is? You think so?
Can I get a picture, bro, please?
No.
No?
No.
Man.
$20 per photo.
$20? Wait, can I see your wallet real quick? I walked right past this bad boy. This thing cool. Next to this Mustang Acura. I walked right past this thing too. Oh, y'all, we're over here somewhere. Nice 06 to 10 Charger. We're gonna do a little more vlogging before we leave. That Mustang color is cool. This thing is beautiful though, bro. Oh my gosh. I need a photo of this. Alrighty guys, that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Cars and Coffee vlog. I love doing it. I think there's one more left in the summer, and if not, then I'm crazy. But without further ado guys, stay tuned for more videos like this. I have a great video, or maybe 2 to 3 videos, depending on how many parts I split it into, coming up. Stay tuned for that. We're going to be uploading a lot more because got a lot of content. I don't want to wait for weeks to pass to do one a week, so we're going to try to do 2 videos a week. So without further ado guys, stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and me and Raven will see you guys in the next one. Peace out guys. Have a good day. Be safe. Peace.